Thanks for joining the SWWC Technology Integration Team for this STEAM activity on lava lamps. For the lava lamp STEAM activity, you will need the following: 2 jars or plastic bottles, food coloring, a cutting board and knife, Alka-Seltzer, and vegetable oil. First, start by filling up each jar with water, about 2 inches in each. One should be cold and one should be hot water so that you can see the differences. Then, add your food coloring. We added blue to the cold and red to the hot to represent the temperature on each. Then, we added 2 to 3 inches of vegetable oil. The first thing my kids noticed was the separation of the 2 liquids. The oil stayed on top of the water, as you can see in the picture. Next, I cut an Alka-Seltzer tablet in half for them, and they each dropped in half of the tablet. What they noticed right away is that in the hot water, the lava lamp effect was more easily noticed because of the heat dissolving the tablet quicker. With the cold water, it took longer. If you decide to do this with your students, you can make a few connections with math as well for both measurements and with timing how long it takes each tablet to dissolve. I hope you'll try this experiment out with your students. My kids loved it. Thanks for watching.